Alright, now I have got multiple Samsung devices with me. I have got a few Samsung Galaxy phones, I got a couple of pairs of Samsung earbuds, Samsung soundbar, Samsung monitor, etc. And generally when I travel, I carry these Samsung earbuds with me and a few phones with me. Now recently, my Galaxy Buds Live got missing and I couldn't really find it. I searched a lot at my home and I couldn't really figure out where exactly I have left that particular device. Now, how do I find this out? How do I figure out where I have left this particular device? How do I find out the location in which I have last used? Now for this, Samsung offers an application called SmartThings Find. In this video, let me just show you guys what exactly this SmartThings Find can do and why is it so important for you guys to enable this feature on your Galaxy phone. Now let's go ahead. Let me just open Samsung's SmartThings Find application. You can see this is the interface you get, and I've got all these devices which I have already connected on SmartThings Find. You can see we have got a devices tab here. I can tap on this. You can see all the devices, Samsung Galaxy devices or Samsung devices which are connected on this SmartThings Find application are available right here. I have got the Bluetooth connection notification here, S Pen, my car connectivity, and here is the Galaxy Buds Live which I have connected in the past. I got the Galaxy Watch, Galaxy Buds, Note 9 and a few other devices like the Watch 5 Pro and a few other phones as well. Now if I go to living room area, I have got Samsung soundbar and then I have got 27-inch Samsung monitor in the studio. Now these are some of the devices which are showing up here because I have already added them on SmartThings Find. If you want to add a new device, you can just add it by tapping on this plus button. Now how can I find out the last used location for a particular device? Now like I said, my Galaxy Buds Live is missing. So what I can do is I can go to this tab called Live and here we have got this option Find. Now this is a very important feature which you guys should know. Now as a Samsung user, if you have connected all your devices on Samsung Find application, we will be able to figure out the last used location or the current location of your device. Now you can see the Watch 5 Pro is showing up here. This is my current location and it is right now with me. And now the missing device is the Buds Live. You can see this is the Buds Live which is missing currently and it is turned off. And all my devices are showing up here. Let me just tap on Buds Live. Now this is going to show me the last used location. I can just tap on this. I will be able to locate this device using this application. Now this is showing me the last used location of Galaxy Buds Live. So now I know where I might have left this particular device. And I also have an option to search nearby. I can tap on search nearby here. What it is going to do is it is going to search the device. It's going to take for about 5 minutes and it says here if you leave the screen you will get a notification when one of your Galaxy Buds Live is detected. Now since I know that it is not with me, it is in a different location, I don't have to do this. I can see the location here and I can call my family or wherever I have visited to search for my Buds Live. Now that is how we will be able to figure out the last location, the last used location of a particular Samsung device if it is connected on SmartThings Find. So make sure you connect all your devices, all the Samsung devices that you have on the SmartThings Find application so that it will be easy for you to find out if you lose any of those devices. Now, if I tap on more, we have got a few options here. It says notify me when it's find. I can enable this toggle, notify when left behind. So I can enable this toggle to notify me if at all I have left the buds or left whichever connected device behind. This phone is going to notify me. So whenever you connect a device, you can enable this toggle so that if at all you forget that device anywhere when you're traveling or anywhere else, you will get a notification right here. And we also have an option to share this device's location. I can enable this. It says there aren't any other members to share this device's location with. If you invite a member, the person you invite will be able to see the location of this device and control your other smart devices. So you can enable this only if you want somebody else to control your other devices. That's up to you. So you can just invite another contact to control the device. Now let me just cancel this here. Let's go back. Now I will scroll towards the right. This is my Galaxy Note 9's location and I can keep scrolling further to see the locations of all the devices which are connected on SmartThings Find. Now let me just go back here. Now you see we have got another tab here for energy. We can add an appliance to start measuring the energy usage. If you use any Samsung appliances such as the refrigerators, TVs or washing machines, we will be able to measure the energy consumption or energy usage using SmartThings Find's app, which is just insane. We also have cooking option here, clothing care, pet care, home care. So the Samsung offers multiple devices. It's a huge ecosystem that Samsung has already created, not just the gadgets like laptops, phones, or watches. We have all the home appliances and home care devices which can be connected on SmartThings Find. So there is endless number of products from Samsung which can be connected on SmartThings Find application. Now we also have routines integrated into SmartThings Find. As you can see, we have got routines option here. When I tap on this, we can create a routine for the devices that you have. You can see we've got home option. Let me just tap on this. It says arrive home in comfort. You can control your smart devices using manually run routines once you arrive home. Before you go in, disarm security mode and turn off your security camera. Then you can turn on your lighting outlets and air purifier to make your home feel more comfortable. This is how you can use your routines to use your Samsung smart home devices as and when you arrive home. We've got many other routines here. We can tap on plus to create a routine within SmartThings application. Now this is just incredible. This is a crazy application which Samsung offers. We can measure energy, we can find our lost devices, we can have routines within the application. So this is just fantastic. Now this is something which you guys should explore, and the most important part is to add your devices onto SmartThings Find so that you will be able to find your lost devices just in case. So make sure you add your phone, watches, buds, etc., whatever you have to SmartThings Find application. That's all I want to share with you guys. Let me know how many of you guys have already added your devices on SmartThings Find. Have you ever used the SmartThings Find to find your lost devices? Drop a comment and give this video a like if you find this informational. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead, hit the subscribe button and become a part of Apex community to know your phone better. That's about it. Thanks for watching. My name is Salian signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.